Yeah, so you have probably heard about Kindle publishing. You might even have tried to publish one, two books, or something like that, but you just can't do any kind of money. And you heard about this course called My Self Publishing Blueprint, but you are uncertain whether or not you should get it. If that is the case, then this video is exactly for you because I'm going to show to you all of the lessons, everything that you will get inside of this course. So stay there and let's get started. Hi there, this is Journal XO, and today let's talk about Self-Publishing Blueprint. This is a course that belongs to Emeka Asai. Hopefully I'm saying his name right. If I'm not, I apologize. And also make sure to like my video. Just go right below, click on the thumbs up, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can receive my weekly video updates where I share with you plenty of tips related to Kindle publishing and several ways to make money online. I mean, if you want to do this, why not subscribe to my YouTube channel? You'll always get more advice, tips, and so on about how you can go right about this business and do even more money. But today let's talk about Self-Publishing Blueprint in 2019. And I did a video about this course a while ago, a few months ago, probably 6 months ago or something like that. But there has been a few changes in 2019. There's more content inside of this course. It's even more updated to what you need to do nowadays when it comes to Kindle publishing. And it is one of the courses that I consider one of the best ones that you can find in the market. If you are currently struggling to make money with your Kindle publishing business, or you just want to get into this business but don't know what you need to do, then this is the course for you. I'm going to leave a link right below in the description from this video. You just need to click on it and you will be taken to this front page over here. This is the front page belonging to this course where you can actually read even more information. Even though along this video I'm going to show to you exactly the content that you will get inside of this course. I'm going to show the dashboard, the lessons, so you can get a better idea and better decide if this is the right course for you. So over here you can find a lot of information, even dashboards of, this is from CreateSpace when CreateSpace actually was or used to be a thing, which is not nowadays. This is from Book Report. So you have several, it has a lot of information this front page. I think Emeka even added more information to the front page with results of people making money with this course. One of the great things about Kindle publishing, if you are starting out and you want to start making some money online, Kindle publishing is perhaps one of the easiest businesses for you to get into when it comes to businesses online. And the reason for that is you can do pretty much a good amount of money with Kindle publishing just by selling books inside of Amazon. And it is pretty much a step-by-step formula. You follow a step-by-step formula and you can start making some money with Kindle publishing. And basically this is what this course teaches you. It teaches you the step-by-step formula that you need to apply to this business so you can start making money by selling books inside of Amazon. So this is the front page. And by the way, if you decide to get this course from me, I also will send you a bonus. All you need to do is send an email to jordan@jordanalexo.com. Once again, I'm going to leave all of the information right below. I will send you a bonus related to Kindle publishing, where I will give you templates for the description of your book so you can have a really enticing description for your books so you can even better sell them. Also for your author page, and a lot more will be included inside of this bonus that will send directly to your email inbox. So this is the front page. Now let's check the dashboard area. Okay, so once you got the course and decided to log in, this is the first page that you will be able to see from this course. I'm not certain about the amount of time that this course has, but it's a lot of lessons, it's a lot of videos, and depending on the amount of time that you have on a daily basis, it may take you a whole week for you to watch this course and also rewatch several of these videos so you can really grasp what you need to do when it comes to your Kindle publishing business. It has a lot of information, it is quite intensive, and that is what it makes a pretty good course here. And you just need to click on this view course so you can see all of the lessons. In total, these are 9 lessons that you have, and in each specific lesson it will go in detail about this each specific topic that you need to learn in order for you to build a profitable Kindle publishing business. So the first one is how to pick your niche in keywords. And keywords is one of the most important parts when it comes to building your self-publishing business. Is really one of the most important tasks when it comes to a publisher. Knowing how to choose profitable keywords inside of Amazon is extremely important. And this is the lesson where once you click over here in this lesson, you can see that you can find several videos related to keywords, and it goes from picking a niche, choosing your keywords, what makes a keyword profitable, how search results affect keyword research, making keyword research faster using Kindle Spy. This is actually the browser application that I have over here, Kindle Spy, which really helps you a lot in turning the process of finding and also analyzing keywords. It makes everything a lot faster. Assessing the competition and understanding and researching your customers. So this is the first lesson. Actually going to open this first video just so you can get a better idea of how the videos look like. Okay, some of them is kind of behind your shoulder where you can see a mecha in Amazon explaining how you can do keyword research, such as this video over here. As you can watch, this is basically over your shoulders.
All right, so now that you have a keyword to start with, we're going to determine on.
And yeah, this is basically a mecha explaining how you can find or what makes a keyword profitable or not. So as you can see, you have plenty of videos over here. This one actually has, let me see, 2 minutes. This is a short one, but some of them are for more lengthier than others. And this is the first video over here, 4 minutes and so on. So you have a lot of different videos related to choosing profitable keywords and understanding what makes a keyword profitable or not. Also assessing the competition, seeing if a keyword is way too competitive for you to get in and publish books and so on. So this is the first lesson over here that you will find. Now let's check the second one, which is creating your book, where Amek explains the length for your book, the right length, choosing the right title and subtitle where you can get your book written. And in this case, Emeka doesn't use the same company as I do. Emeka uses the urbanwriters.com. Actually, I never tried this company, but a lot of publishers say pretty good about this company. I personally use eWriter Solutions. That is quite up to you if you want to use this company or the one that I prefer to use. eWriter Solutions also provides a pretty good work when it comes to their books. Formatting your ebook, choosing your cover design. So this is the second lesson that you will find. Publishing your book, the step-by-step process for you to publish your book has in Kindle format and also in paperback and so on. And it explains how you can format your paperback and your KDP version of your book. All of this information that you can find in the third lesson. Let's check the fourth lesson over here so you can. So let's just go over everything over here. How you can find a virtual assistant. So there's several ways to find a virtual assistant that is explained through this lesson. Also how you can pay your virtual assistant. Basically everything that you need to learn in order for you to have a virtual assistant working for you so you can get reviews for your book. So this is the other lesson. Let's check all of the lessons over here. Just open so you can get so you can see more in detail. Overview. This is for ACX, for massive income, so you can also publish your books not only in paperback in KDP but also has an audiobook. you really want to use all three formats so you can maximize the amount of money that you can earn with each book that you publish inside of Amazon. And ACX is another way, but there's a few problems that you often run into. One of them is if you are from outside of the USA and you want to do audiobooks, it's kind of hard because ACX doesn't allow you to use an address belonging, for example, to an European country or outside, or better saying, outside of the USA and UK. So, and Mac also throughout this lesson, he explains how you can overcome that situation by using Pioneer, and also how you can start using ACX, which I also recommend for you to always publish, if possible, your books as an audiobook format. I even published my cookbooks as an audiobook, although nobody will actually, or very few people actually purchase cookbook audiobooks, but I don't know, some people still purchase them, so I just publish everything in the audiobook format. Email marketing for Kindle publishers, in case if you want to start building, in case once you have established a book business, you are starting to make some money, and if you want to start building email listing so you can also promote affiliate products, or in other words, products that belong to other people, to your subscribers, so you can make some extra money. And also an email listing you can use so you can, whenever you launch a new book, you can basically promote your emailed subscribers and tell them to leave reviews on your book. So in this lesson, Emeka explains how you can do this. Let's go to the other lesson, bonus lessons, how to create bundles so you can even do further, so you can even do more money with your Kindle publishing business. This is also a very good tip where he explains how you can basically make your books far more visible inside of Amazon. Far more visible, and the more visible your books become, the more you increase the probabilities of your book selling inside of Amazon. So there's some extra tricks inside of this bonus lesson here, and dealing with negative reviews, so what you do if your book is blocked, using countdown deals to increase your sales. I actually never use this. You should check this lesson, this video later on, because I actually never use this countdown deal. And I should try it. Why not? So over here you can, Emeka also gives you some alternatives to Amazon, so you can basically promote your books outside of Amazon in similar platforms, so you can increase the amount of sales that you do with your books. He explains several platforms that he uses for this, and running AMS ads, or Amazon advertisement along for your books, so you can further promote your books and even do far more money with your books. So this is another lesson, or another lesson where he goes more in detail about this. And then lastly, this is this is everything. Okay, this is everything. A lot of different lessons. This is as I said, actually I didn't show this lesson over here, ranking your book and getting reviews. Okay, this is another one over here, where I already showed this. I think I already showed this. Okay, so I showed you the 9 lessons, and I gave you a glimpse of what exactly you will get inside of this course. As you can see, this is a very detailed course. I mean, if you are starting out, I don't recommend for you to go and try to do this in a trial and error way, where you basically publish a book, see where you are going wrong, and so on. You might think that by doing that you are going to save some money, or I don't know, some people don't want to, they're kind of afraid to get a course, thinking that they will waste more money if they get a course and so on. But the fact is, if you go about this with Kindle publishing and you don't have the right strategies, it is extremely hard for you to get there and become a successful publisher. It takes a lot of errors, a lot of mistakes, and you probably, if you are getting books from a ghostwriter company, eventually it will even cost you far more, because the time and the amount of money that you put in publishing books that don't make any kind of money, it's probably far better for you to get this course, get the right strategies, and immediately start publishing, or at least after a few tries, start publishing books that do a lot of money inside of Kindle publishing. This is the course that I recommend, Self-Publishing Blueprint. It is one of the most updated courses online, the one that has the most details. Once again, you have a link right below so you can get this course. And also make sure, if you get this course, I also will send the bonus directly to your email inbox. You just need to send an email to jordan@jordanalexo.com. All of the required information is right below on the description from this video. That is all. If you have any question related to Self-Publishing Blueprint, just leave it right below in the comment section. I'll try to reply to you as soon as possible. That is all for now. Stay tuned with Jordan Alexo, and bye.